Here's some internal combustion engine trivia. Subscribe. What type of combustion occurs in diesel engines? Is it A, spark ignition, B, open flame, C, compression ignition, or D, flash combustion? The correct answer is C, compression ignition. Who is considered the father of the modern automotive engine? Is it A, Thomas Edison, B, Nicholas Otto, C, John D. Rockefeller, or D, Albert Einstein? The correct answer is B, Nicholas Otto. What process converts fuel into mechanical energy? Is it A, combustion, B, photosynthesis, C, electromagnetism, or D, refrigeration? The correct answer is A, combustion. Which engine component regulates air intake? Is it A, throttle valve, B, intake manifold, C, air filter, or D, fuel injector? The correct answer is A, throttle valve. In what region does the fuel ignite in a combustion chamber? Is it A, flame zone, B, fuel reservoir, C, combustion zone, or D, exhaust chamber? The correct answer is C, combustion zone. What type of cycle is used in gas turbines? Is it A, Otto cycle, B, Rankine cycle, C, Brayton cycle, or D, Carnot cycle? The correct answer is C, Brayton cycle. What is the name for an internal combustion engine's rotational speed? Is it A, mpg, B, rpm, C, torque, or D, bhp? The correct answer is B, rpm. What cycle describes the 4 strokes of gasoline engines? Is it A, Brayton cycle, B, Otto cycle, C, diesel cycle, or D, Atkinson cycle? The correct answer is B, Otto cycle. Which part prevents the escape of combustion gases? Is it A, crankshaft, B, piston ring, C, timing belt, or D, oil pan? The correct answer is B, piston ring. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.